What's up, everybody? This is Chris here. Today in this video we're going to be talking about my newly installed Hooker catback exhaust system, which I purchased from Fast Tech Performance. Now there's a little bit of a backstory to this. Initially when I ordered the exhaust, the first one that came in was packaged incorrectly by Hooker themselves. The first package I got came with the axle back mufflers without the mufflers, the canister mufflers welded into them. The next step I took was contacting Hooker to figure out what exactly happened, and pretty much what they told me is that they never make the catback without the mufflers. If you want the axle backs without the mufflers, that's an option, but they never sell it with the axle backs without the mufflers at all. So obviously something did get packaged incorrectly, and what they did was, once I sent the old system back out, they sent me a new one and I got it within a couple of days. So shout out to Hooker Exhaust for that promptly turnaround. So I appreciate that, guys, and you made an awesome product. So what led me to changing my exhaust, I kind of got tired of the MPP or the dual mode exhaust is what they call it. It was a 2.5-inch catback system. It sounded great at first, and then it just kind of started getting old because it was raspy. There was a lot of rasp, especially in the higher RPM range. So I just got tired of it, and I wanted something a little bit more deeper with a much better growl to it. And with the Hooker system, I found that. And I was doing a lot of research before I went out and bought it. I was looking at Corsa, I was looking at Borla. What other companies are there? Shit, forgot. But anyways, the Hooker system sounded the best to me after watching numerous videos with headers, without headers, and everything. And I decided to pull the trigger. Now, the Hooker system, like I said, it's a 3-inch catback. They make two versions of it: the header back, which is for use with their headers only, or the regular catback, which you can use with any kind of headers and even a stock catalytic converter pipe. So that's the one I went with, being that I already have pace set of 3/4 inch headers with extensions on them. Now I have resonators. I did like a custom extension pipe off the headers where I put like 3-inch Dynamax resonators. So if you hear some resonance or vibrations throughout the cab, that's because of that. But other than that, I mean, the exhaust system is very quiet. It's got a nice growl to it, especially when you punch it. So I'm really in love with this exhaust, and it's made me fall in love again with the Camaro. So stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like from outside, inside, and also flybys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Yeah.